Explorers, do you know how chicks can transform into egg-laying machines? How long does it take for this transformation to happen? Were the birds subjected to animal cruelty? Or is it the other way around? Watch till the end and find out about the life of the egg-laying chickens. Shortly after these chicks hatch from a hatchery, they are sorted by gender, vaccinated, then delivered straight to this local farm. They arrived inside boxes. Upon arrival, they immediately made a bond with the farmer. At this stage, these chicks are very vulnerable. Around 97% will make it to adulthood. With average body weight of only 40 grams, they are covered with down feathers. Down feathers helps trap their body heat. At this stage, they require a room temperature around 35 degrees Celsius for the next 3 days. At day 4, more wing feathers are visible. The organs of the digestive tract and immune system are developing. Stress at this age can have a lifelong impact on the digestion of feed and the absorption of nutrients. At 7 days old, they start to molt their down feathers, and they now prefer much cooler room temperature. Today is the day they will receive vaccine via intramuscular injection. At 10 days old, tail feathers are more visible. Beaks are trimmed to prevent pecking that results to mortality. Studies concluded that the momentary discomfort is outweighed by the benefits. If beaks are left untrimmed, pecking may cause mortality of the flock, up to 20%. The process may look painful, but within seconds the birds will feed as if nothing ever happened. At 2 weeks old, they have almost doubled their body weight. They now prefer a much cooler room temperature around 28 degrees Celsius. Today, they will receive their vaccine through eye drop. At 3 weeks old, they will weigh around 190 grams, and they looked a bit awkward. They've reached 5 weeks old, and they looked prettier. 95% of their down feathers are gone. Today, they will be transferred to a larger, cooler house. They are now considered the teenagers in the chicken universe. The farmer continued to treat them as princesses, making sure they are comfortable and stress-free. Fed with the highest quality feeds, and housed in a well-ventilated building, and received some amount of sunshine. At 15 weeks old, these birds are almost sexually mature. The appearance of their comb and wattles signals that they are ready to lay eggs soon. At this point, each bird costs around $7.50. This is the time when they are transferred to laying cages. They are handled carefully yet quickly, as chickens get stressed easily. By now, they already attained a body weight of 1.3 kilograms. Each cage housed 4 chickens. Feeds are now formulated for egg-laying requirements. Did you know? Chickens are intelligent animals. They are as smart as a 4-year-old human child. They can remember human faces and past events. They communicate by body language and vocals. They use a variety of sounds to indicate different thoughts and feelings, of which the farmer understands many of it. As they reach 25 weeks old, crowned, and wattles doubled in size. This is their peak production stage. They lay an egg every 25 hours. Now that they passed 40 weeks, rate of lay starts declining. The farmer gets fewer eggs every day. False layers starts to appear more and more. Their physical appearance gave them away. Comb and wattle shrunk in size and faded in colour. Heavy to the farmer's heart, these false layers had to be selectively culled. Nevertheless, the farmer continues to give even more care to this flock. They are revaccinated every month as their immunity also declines with age. It's administered via coarse spray. Now they passed 2.5 years. Their production rate had declined so much that the farmer had no choice but to cull the entire flock soon. By this time, each hen had produced over 430 eggs, consumed over 70 kilograms of feeds, converted every 0.2 kilograms of feed into a kilogram of eggs, and left with 1.5 kilograms of dressed meat. Till the final moment, they are cared with compassion. Please subscribe for more videos.